They are making terrorism, everything. If the 95% of the people, good people, they unite, if they unite, and if they try to suppress the terrorism or unrest, it is very easy because they work together. So we have to work together. We have to unite together for universal integration and peace. It must be the motto of each and every person. It must be the path, universal path of each and every person. I bless you all, and I call you all to unite yourself.
Thank you so much for being a guest on our show again. We really very much appreciate it. God bless you. This is Mitchell J. Rabin for A Better World. Thanks so much for joining us again, and we look forward to seeing you next week.